Hey guys, what's going on, and welcome back to another video. My name's Dion, and today I'm going to be doing a little trade breakdown. It's a trade which I took yesterday. It was not a perfect trade, so let's just get straight into it. We start off with the beginning of the day, and what I did from this point is nothing. I just wanted to wait until London to set its high and set its low, and then I will move forward from there. But my overall bias was short, so I was looking for some sort of high to be swept. In this situation, it was the London high. It did not get as high as I wanted to though. You can see these two grey boxes, which is unbalanced fair value gaps up here. I honestly was expecting for price to break London high, balance those fair value gaps before making our move to the downside, but we did not hit those fair value gaps. So that's a situation which we were dealt, and that's the situation I carried on with. So we didn't balance those fair value gaps. But what we did do is we broke the London highs. So after I see the London high get broken, I'm looking for some sort of short-term low to be formed, which is right here. So step one, got London high broken. You had this swing low get formed. Didn't really break it here, but then we pushed back down and broke it. So with that break of the short-term low, what I'm looking for now is a fair value gap within that break in a premium market. The way I look for it is that swing which creates the fair value gaps that was done after those highs were swept. I take that range, put a Fibonacci from the top of the range to the bottom as the swing low, and I look for the 50% mark. Now, above the 50% mark is the premium market for that swing, and below is the discount. Since I'm going short, I want to sell at a premium because that's what ICT has taught. So I put it purple like that, get rid of the Fibonacci so it clears out a little bit more space. So after the short-term low is broken, I'm looking for a pullback into a fair value gap, which is in a premium market. So I'm looking for a fair value gap above that purple line. Now, the fair value gap which I found was on a much smaller time frame. So this is the little gap which I was focusing on here, which is not balanced. So just this little gap right here. So as you can see, this was where the entry was placed. It's in a fair value gap. It's above the equilibrium, so we're trading at a premium. And what happened? I think it was a very good entry. It was very minimal drawdown. We melted right down. Now, here's the thing. I was watching a movie at the time. I wasn't monitoring the trade, and I came back after to see that my take profit was just missed. It started pulling up, it broke through the highs, and I did take profits much higher up in here. It was barely anything, it was like 1%, something a little bit lower. But look, I had no reason to exit the trade when I saw it touch down here. There you go, it was just a balance of the fair value gap before price came up and stopped me out. Well, it didn't stop me out because I took profits, and I'm glad I took the profits, because if I did not, you could see price would have come up and wicked me out anyway. And then price continued. So yeah, that's the trade breakdown. I mean, look, it could have been a really nice trade had I set my take profit a little bit higher, but look, I stuck to my plan. I do feel like I took my profit where it was appropriate. That's why I was saying like it was a nice, it is a good trade, even though the profitability of it wasn't very high. It's just showing me now that I am getting into the right trades. The issue is just managing the trades a little bit better. But I haven't been trading ICT for too long, so I'm enjoying making these like mistakes or making these live trades and seeing how it actually plays out, because it is very different to when I am back testing or forward testing. I'm playing with real money here on a live account. You did see the live execution earlier. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this little trade breakdown. This is the real trade which I took. Not going to sit here and claim like I took all the profits. I'm just trying to be honest with you. Like I said, I will be trying to do more of these trade breakdown videos. So every trade I make, you can expect a video like this. So hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like the content, head over to the description. I got my Instagram, Twitter, the rest of my socials. You can follow me all there for sort of a more like personal insight to, you know, what happens in my life, how I do my trading, this and that. But I'm going to leave it there. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.